inspiration mo in directing?
Inspiration? Yung mga nanonood. Kasi ako personally, I mean, yung to make mainstream movies, alam mo na yung viewers mo ang mo nito, yung audience ang importante sa akin. Kasi syempre, I do it to entertain, I do it to uplift and to inspire. So I'm here in that business to do that. I'm here in this field to do that. I think this is a very rare opportunity to speak to so many people at the same time internationally, because our films are released worldwide. So it is a rare opportunity to speak to them, to entertain them, and pasayahin ng tao. So for me, my inspiration is I'm very, very happy when I hear that people were inspired by this. Like in Bright for Rent, they believed in love again, or they believed in forever, or parang malungkot sila nun, or like I got messages that they live abroad, malungkot sila, tapos when they watch Filipino movies or TV shows, parang it brings them back home. So, yung purpose nung what I do is fulfilled. It's very fulfilling when you hear that. So, my inspiration really, yung mga tao na na-entertain ito at na-inspire.
Thank you. Kay Sian, what have you learned playing the role of big Babs?
Having an obese character, kasi yung bago pa yung film, sabi nga ni Derek sa akin, manood ako ng mga films. Manood ako mga documentaries, observe kung ano nga yung mga precautions, kumbaga yung mga what they go through. So marami akong natutunan na yun nga, mahirap to be on that level na hindi ka nag-diet, hindi ka nag-diet and exercise, hindi balance yung lifestyle mo. So that's one. And syempre yung sa naman, in terms of the storyline, yun you have to pay attention. You have to pay attention to details sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, kasi you don't have the luxury of going back to the past eh. So yung mga nangyayari sa'yo, you just have to pay attention. Sino nga ba yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo? You have to just appreciate everything. Yeah.
Okay, kay Kim naman. Kim, I think also for Sian and Derek May, this movie, ito yung pinaka-maraming block screening ata. I think I got more than 3 invites from different fan base. What can you say about the fans who continuously support the Love Team?
It's overwhelming. As in, talagang nung narinig ko, yun nga rin, ako rin, dahil ko nakuha invitations, hindi ko na nga masagot yung iba sa Twitter, because ang daming mga nandun na, and syempre, bongga rin sila magpa-trend. Tsaka magpa-trend at mag-retweet. So, nalulunod na yung mga ibang tweets sa amin to invite. Hindi ko na nasasagot, but super duper grateful kami na grabe ang support ang binibigay ng fans ni Kim tsaka ni Zian sa pelikulang ito. From day one, nung narinig pa lang nila, mula nag-storycon hanggang sa at bawat shooting day namin pinapatrend. Tapos nun, and nakakatuwa, because syempre we had to keep the secret muna yung dun sa fat suit. Ayaw namin lumabas. We don't wanna spoil naman the fun, di ba? The fans supported that, and they were very they followed. Talagang di sila pumunta, or pasimple na lang, napapadala lang sila ng something for them or for us. But talagang they respected it. So talagang nakakatuwa. Ayan sila,
Andito sila.
Yes, the ones na nagtitiis na hindi makadalaw. Kasi nagtatanong nga sila, pwede na po bang dumalo? So parang ako, ay talagang sinusunod nila. They really respected the So, yun, thank you so much for the respect. Thank you so much for the support. And hanggang sa, ang dami-daming block screenings, ang daming yung tweets and likes and everything. Super thank you. Kasi syempre sila talaga yun, pero nadadamay kami. Thank you so much. And all the, all the pasalubongs na, I gained so much weight from it. Thank you very much. Yung makailang kainin, pero kinain ko. Pero thank you.
Oo, sobrang thank you rin dahil nakakawala ng pagod. Minsan,